In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find marketing assistant on Glassdoor, entry roles 2026. We'll walk through a simple, clear process so you can quickly spot entry-level marketing assistant roles that fit your goals. Open your preferred browser and head to glassdoor.com. If you see any region or cookie prompts, confirm your country to make sure results are relevant where you plan to work. You can do all of this on desktop or mobile. The layout is similar. Next, sign into your Glassdoor account. Logging in lets you save jobs and set alerts, which is useful if you're actively searching. If you're just browsing for now, that's fine. Go straight to the jobs area and you can still perform a full search without creating an account. On the homepage, click the Jobs tab in the top navigation. This is your main workspace for searching roles. You'll see a keyword field and a location field. These two boxes control almost everything you'll see next. In the keyword box, type marketing assistant, then press enter. Using the exact title keeps results focused. If you find too many unrelated roles, keep the title concise and avoid extra words. If you need more specificity later, you can refine with terms like social media or content, but start with marketing assistant to see the full range of entry options. Now set your location. Choose the country where you're authorized to work, or select remote if you want location flexible opportunities. Picking remote is great if you need flexibility, but keep time zones and legal work authorization in mind. Many employers note these in the posting. If you're open to moving, you can search a country where you'd relocate and evaluate roles there as well. Glassdoor will load a list of openings that match your title and location. Browse the results and click the roles that appeal to you. On each job page, read the responsibilities, required skills, and any preferred experience. Look at the salary estimate if it's shown, and scroll to see the company overview. You can also check company ratings and reviews to understand culture and growth opportunities, which is especially helpful for entry roles. If a job looks promising, use the save option so you can return to it later, and use the apply button when you're ready. Reviewing a few similar postings side by side can help you spot common requirements and tailor your resume accordingly. That's the process. Go to Glassdoor, sign in if you want to save roles, open the Jobs tab, search for marketing assistant. Pick your country or remote, and then review and select the roles that fit you best. Good luck with your search.